need to design code to move that records from source to target.
Anna, please give access to record, Anna.
1 second, please. Let me check. Okay,
You shared the screen, Anna?
not yet. Give me a sec. Riyaj, if you use laptop, na, you will be able to record these sessions. So uh, in future, it will help you.
Yeah, actually, I'm working on my laptop, so
No
I
problem.
just logged in with my mobile.
Okay. 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 We have everyone now. Okay, we'll continue.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, Anna, fine, Anna. Able to hear now.
Okay. Okay. Now what we'll do? We have source and target. Now what developer will do? He'll connect to the repository service and folder in developer tool, and he will go to this source analyzer. Okay. He will go to the source analyzer and he will import. He will connect to that database schema. What is the database schema for source? Yes, sir. Source. Source underscore something. What will do, if you, he will go here, he will select this option and he will go to sources and he will use import from database. If you have data in your file, you can import using file as well. Okay, if you have in COBOL file, you can import from COBOL. If you have XML, you can import using XML. Okay, now what we'll do, he will go to import from database. It will ask some information related to the database. Okay, if you want to connect to the database, first of all, what we need to give, we need to give the address of the database. Okay, without any address, how will go to the source or target? We cannot, right? So for that, what we need to create here, we'll be able to see DSS, data source names. We can call that this DSN is called data source name. We need to create one DSN for connecting source. If we click on this add, it will ask some information. It will ask that database type. Okay, data direct wire protocol. As of now, we are using our database as Oracle. So we'll select that Oracle wire protocol. We'll give finish, and it is asking one name. Okay, what we'll do, src underscore state bank, that is the name, and host name we are giving where the schema is available. And for that, what we have to do, we need to give the source information, source, host name, port number, connection string information. Okay, host name will be local host. Host will be local host, and port number is 1521 and SID is XC. Where will get this information? In tnsnames.warafile. It will be available in Oracle home directory. Product. And then just admin. Here we'll see this tnsnames.warafile. Here we have this host name, we have port number, and we have connection string information. Okay, if you provide that information, if you want to apply, okay, now we'll be able to see that SRC underscore statement. We have created this DSN for source. Now what we have to do? We have to create one more DSN for target. Okay. What is the protocol? Wire protocol, Oracle wire protocol, finish. It will ask TGT underscore state bank and will give host information. Localhost port number 1521. Connection string is XC. Click on apply.
Hello.
Yeah,
The state bank spelling.
no problem. That is manual thing. So that's not a big deal. That is only for your reference. Okay, it will not create any damage. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Click on OK. Now we have source SRC for connecting source. We have TGT for connecting target. Okay. Now what he will do? Again, he will go to after creating the data source names. What he will do? He will go here source and import from database. Here now he will connect for SRC. He will select wire protocol as SRC, DS name is SRC. Here we need to give source name, username and password of this schema. The schema is available, right? Okay, it's not working. What is the username? SOUREC is the source name, and we need to provide password. Okay, password is SOURC source. Okay, if you click on it, it will connect it. It has been connected to the source database. If you expand that, you will be able to see State Bank of India whole table. Okay, click on it. Okay. Showing nothing has been selected. Okay, now we have imported our source structure only. We are not imported data. We are imported only source structure. Okay, if you click on save, control save, the source table will be available here. Earlier it was empty, now it filled with State Bank of India. In same way, what he will do, he will go to target designer, he will go to targets, import from database, he will select target one, username is TARGET, password is TARGET. If he connects, he will be able to see this target tables here. Okay, we have 3 targets tables for different locations, right? Okay, if we click on it, those 3 tables will be imported. Okay, if we click on save, it has been saved under target folder. Now what he will do, he will go to this table, this option mapping designer. What he will do, he will drag this one to workspace. Here we are going to create one mapping. Mapping name is location underscore STI. Okay, if you click on OK, it has been imported. Sorry, it has been dragged to our workspace. Okay, and you will be able to see source qualifier by default. Okay, what is the default? What is the main functionality of source qualifier is? If you see in database name is varchar2, but here it has been string. It is number, it is double. It is help us in Informatica to understand database types. It will convert database types to Informatica understandable data types. Okay, that is the help of our source qualified transformation. By default, if each and every transformation, it will be available. Each and every mapping, it will be available. Okay. Now what we have to do? Same way, we'll move targets also. Okay. So now we have source here, we have targets here. Okay. What we have to do? We have 6 records in source. We need to move that 6 records into different locations based upon location. Okay. For that, what Informatica given? They given one transformation called router. We have many, these are all the different transformations we have in Informatica. Each and every transformation has different functions. Okay, so to fulfill our requirement, we need router transformation. Okay, we need to give name of that transformation. Okay, we need to create that. Done. And this is middle. This is the source system. This is the target system. Here, Informatica. Clear, right? Source, target, in between Informatica. Extracting the data from this source, transforming the data into this Informatica, and loading it into targets. That is the main functionality of our Informatica. Now, what we'll do? We'll map this all into router. Okay, we are passing that records into router Informatica. Now, if you click on this under groups, for each and every location, you need to create one condition. Here we are passing multiple conditions. We are giving AP, condition name is AP, group name is AP, and here we need to write one condition. Okay, here what is the main condition we are going to declare? Where branch equals to, we have to specify in single quotes AP. If it is, if is there any branch name equals to AP, it will pass to this condition, and it will store into respective table. Okay, now same way we'll create for Karnataka. Here condition will be branch equals to KA. Okay, validated, succeeded. Okay, and we have one more for Tamil Nadu. TL. Here condition will be location equals to, where branch equals to Tamil Nadu. Oh, sorry, it is not accepting because we didn't give an exact information. So click on apply. Okay. Okay. Now the data is coming to router, but immediately it's not giving output. See, this arrow marks is not available for router, but it will show under groups. Okay, for AP it's showing output. We need to map this AP data should be stored under where? AP, and we need to store Karnataka into Karnataka. We need to store Tamil Nadu into Tamil Nadu table. Clear, right?
Why is this default name to end string dharma? Default
Sorry?
one. So under this
Default,
TN,
right?
yes.
Yeah, I'll explain what is default. If, for example, we given 3 conditions, right? In our source, if nothing, some records is not matched to this all conditions. Got it? Like we have AP, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. If any record belongs to Kerala, it will goes to default. Why? Because we didn't return that condition, right? Got it? Now we have created one mapping and we need to save it. Okay, now the mapping has been created here. Okay, now we'll observe our database info. How our database is, our repository service is working. Okay, if we have created one mapping called location and underscore SBI in this designer tool, but how it is reflecting here with help of repository service. It is getting updated in location underscore SBI. Okay, and we have source as well, OPB underscore SRC. We have created one source, right? See, we have source. OPB underscore target also will be there. We have created targets, right? 3 targets. It has been updated in our target table. Okay. Now we have designed code. We have designed code with the help of this router transformation. We have saved that. Now, if you want to execute this code, what you have to do? You have to go workflow manager. Okay. Here, what you want to do? He need to create one workflow. For that, he is to go to here. Okay. Here, location is will give some different name. Nandu underscore location is the workflow name. Okay, and here we need to specify integration service. Okay, using with integration service, it should run. Okay, and we can schedule this as well. If you want to run this workflow in particular time, using this scheduler, we can schedule. Okay, if you click on OK, it will come here. And we need to create one task for execute our mappings. Okay, if you create on it, here it will ask for task name, something will give. Create, it is asking for which mapping you are creating this session. We need to give reference, like to execute this mapping, we are creating this task. Okay, if you click on it, the session will be created, done. Then we need to drag it here. Now just assume in our language, this is the tractor engine, this is the trolley. It will go in front of in trolley. This will carry the data. It will guide, like it will guide how where to go under, but data dump will be in this session. Okay, and we need to give link for this port. If you go here, it will connect. We have to give link. Okay, if you give an S, it has been saved. Okay, if you click on it here under mapping, we'll be able to see source and target. Okay, now again what we have to do, we have to give the address for this source table where it is available, and we have to give the address for this target. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll create connections for this information. For that, what we will do, in the relational connections, under we need to select the database type. We have multiple databases. We need to select Oracle. So if you go here, new, okay, and it will ask for connection name. Connection name you can give any name, but to connect that schema, what we need to give exact username. SOUREC is the source name. Okay, password is source. Okay, connection string is XC. If you click on OK, it has been connected. In same way, we need one more connection for target. Okay, go to new TGT underscore Nandu. Username is target and TARGET. Target connection string is XC. If you click on OK, the target connection also will created, and close this option. If you go here, the connections information will be reflected here. You need to go to mappings, go to source table. If you expand this is the source connection we need to map. And for target, what is the connection? Target. Okay, map that. For this same connection. Why? Because these three tables are available in target only. Okay, click. First SPI TN also specify target connection. Click. Apply. Okay, and save again. Why? Because we did some changes, right? We need to save. Now everything is okay. If you run this, if you start this engine, it will go through road. The session will carry the data, and it will, if it is successful, means our data will be uploaded in target system. If you go here in target, there is nothing. We don't have any data. Okay, now if you start this workflow, the monitor tool will comes to picture. You are executing that, right? We can see that information in monitor tool, whether it's succeeded or whether it's failed. Okay. Okay, we need to connect to integration. Under that integration, we'll be able to see. Now, here we'll be able to see workflow and session name. Okay. See, both Nandu and workflow has been succeeded. Okay, it means our data should be stored. Okay, if you go to target, if you refresh this information, no need to refresh. See, AP records will be stored under AP table. Karnataka records has been stored under Karnataka table, and Tamil Nadu records has been stored under Tamil Nadu. Clear, guys? And you can see properties, get run properties, how much time is to here. Here we will be able to see the workflow runtime, how much time it takes, how many records it's read, how many records is loaded, like that. This all information we will get here. Okay, clear, right? This is how our Informatica will work. Okay, it is reading the data from source, it is writing data in target. In between, we are using our Informatica. Okay, This is the main functionality of Informatica. Okay, guys, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. This is 90% development. Today's class 90% is development, 10% is our Informatica. Okay, don't get confused. You will not see this all things every day. Rare cases you will see this information. Okay.
Okay,
Any
Anna.
questions, please? Hello. Any questions, please?
No, Anna.
Okay. Follow that recording and create one basic basic mapping and workflow. Then you guys will be able to understand easily. Okay.
Okay. Can you
Okay, right?
see the screen now? No. We'll see that repository.
Yeah, sorry, Rahul. Can you please share your screen? I am sharing my screen.
Just give me that permission.
One second. Rahul. Yeah. Rahul, can you please try if you get any
Still it's getting error. Host disabled participate in screen sharing. It's getting error.
No, I'm not able to share. I've already stopped my screen sharing.
Okay.
There is one option called screen share, right?
Yes. So I'm clicking on that one only, but it's showing error. Host disabled participating screen sharing.
Host. Okay, I've given host permission to you. Now try.
Now it's came. Now you're able to see, no?
Yeah. Okay.
So in this we created this domain.
Okay.
So when
Edit that. Okay. But it's not reflecting right repository information, right?
yeah, see, yes.
Unable to connect
Unable
to the domain error. Connect domain to look up services means your Informatica services is not running. Okay, so start your Informatica first.
Services
Under
it's running
services,
in services.
then show me administration console page.
It's coming same.
No, please open admin console page.
Okay. You able to see now?
No, you have to share your full screen. No, you need to share your full screen. Stop sharing and give first option.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anna.
So what is the domain name here? Go to properties, right side. What is the domain name? Domain underscore desktop underscore 6p
6
something.
page.
Okay.
Yeah.
Copy that.
Copy.
Okay. Open that.
Okay. Can I add again, Anna?
Sorry.
Can I add again?
Yeah. Open that. We are not
So
able
I
to see
already
that.
opened. No, I already opened. So 1 second. I
No.
will share that. No.
Yeah. Now
Okay.
remove that.
Can I-
Select that and select. Remove. Yes.
Okay.
Now new. Okay. Domain name.
Okay.
Host name. Localhost. Others go to admin console page. I will show you.
Okay.
Select that node. Node and node.
Power.
10. No. It's that one. What is the node name? Host name? Desktop.
Just 60 KT.
Copy.
Okay. So port number 6005.
60005. Okay. Okay. Means you did some mistake during configuration. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Try with administrator.
Okay.
Okay. That's it.
Nice one.
Okay. Thank you all. Thank you all. Bye.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Tell me now. I will end.
Okay. I'm closing this call.
Yes.
We'll meet tomorrow.
Sure. No.